Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. We spent Christmas with family in Florida this year. It was so nice to get away from the below zero weather and spend some time with people we love. While we were there, we went out to eat at a Greek restaurant. When they brought the food, I saw that they had rice there that I had when I was a young child. It is super easy to make and I really like it. To start with, put some oil in whatever size pot you wish to cook your rice in. I usually use olive oil, but I am sure that canola or vegetable oil would work in a pinch. Turn the burner on to a medium-low heat. Add some broken up vermicelli to the pot. I don't measure it. It certainly doesn't have to be an exact amount. Vermicelli is a very thin pasta noodle. The one I have was found in Winco in the Mexican food section. I found some in Florida in the pasta section packaged in a box similar to a spaghetti box. When I was young, my dad bought vermicelli in rounds packaged in plastic. When the vermicelli starts to turn brown, add your dry rice and stir it. Once again, I am not using a specific recipe, just showing the process. Some of us may have large families and some of us may live alone. You have to adjust the amounts to your own situation and preference. I take the pan off the burner at this time and add twice as much water as the rice. Since you have hot oil in the pan, don't add water to it while it is on the burner. Depending on the rice you use, you may need a little more or less water. When I was growing up, my father used Uncle Ben's parboiled rice. It is a bit more expensive than other brands, so I tried to make this with cheap rice and it worked just fine. When you add the water, it sizzles, and I remember that sound when my father would make the rice when I was a child. Add some salt and pepper at this point. Put the pan back on the burner and cook the rice until it is done. When you cook rice, you always bring the rice and the water to a boil first, and then you turn it down to simmer until it is done, and all the water is absorbed. This rice is a nice alternative to cooking plain white rice. I've never tried this with brown rice, only with white rice. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.